Ayan guys, ito may dalawang compressor na 410A na compressor. Ang isa bago, ang isang luma. Ito yung papalitan namin. Ito ang sira nito, i-check natin kung anong pinagkaiba. Ayan. Ito natin. Common muna, common to starting. Common to starting. Ayan, 4.1. Common to running, 4.9. 4.5. Starting to running, 7.3. Ayan. Tapos ang problema nito ay grounded siya. I-check natin, common to ground. Ayan, may 3.5 na resistance siya. Ibig sabihin, grounded tong compressor na to. Yung starting to ground. Ayan, lahat grounded. Lahat ng windings grounded. Shorted siya, shorted. Ito naman yung bago. I-check natin yung common tsaka starting. 1.6. Okay, common to running, 0.6. So dapat ito nasa 1.6 plus 0.6, 2.2. Starting, running to starting, ayan siya, 2.1. Ibig sabihin, okay itong windings nito. Check natin yung ground to common. Dapat wala ito. Ayan. Ayan po, wala. Ayan, wala. Yung starting to ground. Ayan. Ayan, wala. Yung running to ground. Ayan po, wala. Ito ang good na compressor. Wala siyang grounded. Tsaka yung windings resistance niya tama. Ito magkakaiba. Pag plusin mo kasi itong ito nasa 7.3. Ayun, check natin to. Starting to yun, nag-iiba-iba siya. 4.1. Ito 7.4, 4.1, 7.4, 4.1 plus 7.4. How much? How many? 4.1, 7.4, 11 point something. 11 point something. Dapat yung starting tsaka nito 11 point something. Ayan mababa siya. Ibig sabihin, sira talaga yung winding, shorted. Ayan guys, hanggang dyan na lang po yung pag-check natin ng compressor ng sira at saka good. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking video, paki-like, share and subscribe naman po. Maraming salamat po.